Hi, so I recently saw a reel where this woman went into her office and initially she told her boss that she will be going home at the normal time that she leaves and that she has a celebration at her house. She wanted to celebrate with her family. So at the end moment, her boss said, "No, you have to do this work, you can't go home." I was just wondering that how life is.
But what did the lady do? Like, did she stay or did she leave?
She left. She was like, I had already informed you, so I will go.
Kudos to women to do that. But then now we are here with a topic like slow living and hustle culture. So basically, there is this concept of chardi kala, which they propagate slow living a lot. Getting up early and then soaking all the energies around, living in silence for certain duration in the early morning, as in staying with themselves and their thoughts, consuming every energy out there, and then after you have gained some amount of energy, then get into work mode and do a lot of stuff that you have to do in normal life, and then again in the evening some kind of activity, some kind of workout. So this comes under chardi kala, and the other is the hustle culture, where every person, I guess most of the people in today's time, are indirectly or directly pushed into culture. People are living on their calendars. They have scheduled their meetings from early 9 to evening, maybe until late they're working. A lot of people are involved in several streams of income. Most of the people who have just one job are considered to be dumb and not really working their potential in a very effective manner. People are maybe in a FOMO or in certain kind of situation, they're forced. Like, if someone else is doing, I should also do it, and I should also work and make multiple sources of streams of income. What are your thoughts?
I think what you said is right, but that actually I feel like comes from the very definition that has been created by the society of being successful. If you're earning this much, if you have done this degree, so you are successful. But I feel like being successful is keeping your mental health also very important. I mean, very healthy. That slow living that you mentioned, you wake up in the morning, maybe you're earning a little less, but if you're like happy, then you are as successful as somebody who is a billionaire who is earning a lot. Maybe he's not happy. I feel like there should be some sort of balance between working and some sort of balance between what activities or what you should be doing for your personal growth, not just a company, not just for your financial status or something.
I kind of disagree with your point that you said, like, you're only successful when you're working all the time. I guess people who are actually successful are those who have a certain balance between their mental health and their work. People who are extensively working, down the line they have their fucked up mental health, and they do not sustain themselves in the market. In the long run, I guess it's all the people who strike a perfect balance between slow living and on the contrary, every day they're putting some amount of time for their deep work, for their actual work. I guess I read a book in which that said 4 to 6 hours of deep work every day is you know ample enough for a successful life.
That's what I meant by when I said that it has been created, like the society has created this aura of if you are successful you're working 24 into 7. That is what, but I also disagree with that thing. I totally would love to follow this thing where I'm working on my inner self, my mental peace, and also working enough that I can sustain my everyday requirements.
I guess when the people who actually work on their inner energies, their mostly self work, they have abundance of energy so that they can put in the outer world.
I think that should be promoted more than the usual, only earning money, only earning a master's degree, only doing this gives you a successful name. I think it's time that we start changing the meaning of being successful. We should focus on more slow and soft living. We should focus on more social well-being as well as our own well-being.
Have you watched the Samirana's video that recently got traction on social media? So in the end, he said कि आज PPT बना ली हमने आज एक presentation दे दी. So I had a very productive day. बल्कि उल्टा है, when you're spending a day full with your family and friends and then chilling with them is actually productive. On the other hand, making a PPT and everything is just sustaining life.
Yeah, that's a part of your job, not your real life. That is a part of your. We need to understand that job is a part of your life. Similarly, there are other parts of your life that we need to start living. We forget that 24 into 7 working is not the life.
So, as a conclusion, I guess there should be a perfect balance between both.
I
We should
think,
learn to.
yeah, but I also think that some days maybe you'll be working more, and some days you'll be like, okay, I can do give some time to myself and give some time to my work.
My family,
Yeah,
friends,
yeah.
my close ones.
All the days won't be 50-50. So maybe some days are like 70-20, it's 70-30. Some days are like 80-20. Some days maybe 50-50. So it's just that you need to take out some time from
For
that.
everything, giving
Everything, yeah.
equal amount of
Giving some
energy
amount of
to
energy to
everything.
yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever keeps. There are some people who are like, oh, if I work, I'm happy. Then that's them. That's them.
So the moral of the story is keep enjoying and keep hustling at the same
Yes.
time.
Keep loving your life.